That was excellent. I really enjoyed that. It was so much fun, and it actually felt like it had actual forces, which again made it fun. It goes forwards, backwards, it does multiple passes through the station. It's got a backward spike, a forward spike, depending on what way around the track you're going. Phenomenal. I think ART Engineering's done a really good job. And what I find really fascinating is in Germany this year also, another one of these style roller coasters opened at Hansapark by Gerstlauer. And you would expect Gerstlauer to create the better product, but I think ART Engineering has.
Obviously, this is on the soft opening stages yet, so you can see that there's still construction going around and they haven't finished the full theming, but you can tell how much they are investing on theming for this. They have a ceiling with projections on the station, and there's a whole story, and if you're on the station, it's quite entertaining because you can watch the ceiling while you're waiting to be on the next train. The whole queue area, the ride area is really well presented, and they still need to add more, but you can tell that they're still doing that.